Okay, y'all. So we walking to the beach. We park like a block away. I don't believe in systems of paying for parking. I don't know, Tia, do you believe in those systems?
Only when you can finesse and get free. That's what I did last time.
So since that's the case, we're using our God-given legs to walk, get some exercise, soak in the sun, see the scenery. So I'll show y'all what the beach is giving. But the sun and the day is giving. Like, it's like just enough clouds, but not enough. We're gonna be so tan and glistening.
Yes.
See us now. You can compare it. We'll do a before and after. I'll screen grab it. I also notice I be making a lot of promise to y'all. I be like, I'ma add this here. I'ma screenshot this there. I'ma add a photo. And I be dropping the ball on y'all. So I'ma say this. It's because I don't have enough editing tools. And sometimes I just be trying to get the content to y'all. So I'm sorry if I be leaving y'all handed. I at least got better with my last few videos of adding @ names and business locations. Because I'm like, I be making a lot of promises. Like, I'm going to add this in there, y'all. But now like, dang, I ain't added in there. So just bear with me. And, you know, as I get more subscribers and more following, maybe if somebody gives me an in-kind donation to be able to have Final Cut Pro, I'll get better with my videos. But I just wanted to address that. I hope y'all still be bearing with me and my authenticness.
They do.
Yeah. Because I'm not too Hollywood yet. I know I ain't got all that money yet. But I will tune in later. After they say you got the job, you gotta just put on Kanye. Nah, I get my money right. Oh, I had a dream. Just perform for your mom. Just perform. And then next sign, song lineup. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch out. Boogie board expert. So do you want to be close to people or not close to people? Look at this beach, babe. It actually is cute now. It's like, ooh.
I give it something. I give it something. Yeah.
Ooh, she want to be Jada Waiter, looking more like Diana Ross. Which one? Which one, boo? Talking about Jada Waiter. She Diana Ross. She Shaka Khan with him. Gotcha. Alright, y'all, we post beach vibe. We was in the water. She like a hurricane hitter. Hair all crazy. But we getting that sun though. We getting that sun. Da Roots. Wasn't that me and you? Wasn't that us? And they were singing something like Da Roots. Wasn't that us? Da Roots. I got deodorant. Alright, boo, we gotta get her hair done, boo. Welcome to my shop, boo. The most important part at post beach is conditioning your hair. I don't care what anybody tells you. That's why I got braids. I don't got time for that shit.
I'm Justice fan. What's your names?
Nina.
Yep. Tia.
Tiana.
Y'all go to NCAT?
Nah, I went to Cheney.
I went to Cheney.
I go to
I graduated from Cheney last year.
I'm at A&T.
You
Oh, you
go
at
to NCAT?
Nah, I go to Temple. I graduated.
Oh, okay. I don't live too far from Temple.
You live by Philly?
I live in South Jersey, yeah.
Oh, alright. That's cool. What about y'all? Like, y'all live in Jersey? Yeah, you feel me? Niggas be lit out there, like.
I don't do Philly because y'all, they be shooting too much.
What you mean?
Temple, especially Temple, they be shooting too much over there.
Bad.
walking the boardwalk now. We seeing the vibes with the munchies, stragging, we strags or whatever. Stragging or whatever. You good back there? You sun-washed? This is a Christian page.
Oh, sorry.
But yeah, just catching the vibes. There's a lot of great families, and you see the black families enjoying the day. They got an aquarium. They got it all. Y'all better check it out. Point Pleasant.
But it just makes sense.
It's a waffle ice cream sandwich, and she got ice cream and tears. Say this is so good. Oh, that is cute. This is so. It probably look crazy right now, but this waffle, I'm gonna have to try this waffle with.
Record this one.
They gave us some extra, y'all. That's what happened when you bless. The Lord just tops it off with a bonus. Now everybody say bless, 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 bless. No, but for real, y'all, that's what happened when you bless. It's so good. I got chocolate peanut butter, which is my favorite, and then I got a coffee flavor. What'd you get, Tia?
I got chocolate peanut butter too, and I got sweet and salted caramel.
Sweet and salted caramel.
I just got cookies and cream.
Very classic.
Very classic, but I'm gonna try some of this waffle.
The waffle.
It's really appetizing.
Perfectly cool. Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice and hot.
She did it better than that.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what do you do with this?
He really made that shit a sandwich.
But yeah, it's good.